Hi, I'm Mike McLaren with the McLaren Real Estate Team and Trek, the real estate company. We're outside this beautiful townhouse in Copperfield. It's got so many features, you're not going to want to let this one go! No! As soon as you enter the main door of this family home, you're greeted by two doors down the hallway. You've got one door leading to your single, fully finished garage. It's great for storage as well as parking. Then you have another door. This leads into your laundry room, utility room. You've got great storage in here. And then tucked around the corner is a neat surprise. You've got a fourth bedroom and/or an office space. This also has a door leading outside, which has a patio and green space. No neighbors behind, so you get a beautiful view of the landscape. I'm currently standing in the living room. On the main floor, it's actually an open concept, so I can see all the way into the kitchen. The space feels open and large and bright. We've got windows on the east and the west, as well as two balconies, also on the east and west, so you can get the morning sunrise all the way to the sunset. Also in the living room, we've got a beautiful gas fireplace. Tucked discreetly away, you have the powder room, a storage closet, and a large pantry. Here on the second level of this family home, we have 3 large bedrooms, a full bathroom, a linen closet, and then here in the primary bedroom, we have a fantastic walk-in closet as well as a 3-piece ensuite. Thank you for checking out this family home with us today. It has so many great features. You definitely have to come and check this one out. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the market and/or this home, please make sure to reach out to us. We would be so happy to help you. You definitely have to see this one in person, and I don't think it's going to last very long on this market, even though it's a little bit more of a buyer's market right now. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and as always, keep it real.